Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M22 and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this Samsung. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Now select apps over here and click on the three dots at the top right corner. Select Permission Manager and pick one of the options, for example location. Now select one of your apps like Gallery and pick one of the options, allow only while using the app, at every time or deny. I will go with allow only while using the app, so now when I go back I can see that Gallery gained access to my device location while I'm using it. But you can also click on one of your apps, choose see all gallery permissions over here and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!